Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get skill points in superstar mode in Madden 27. If you wanna level up your superstar faster, one of the best thing you can do is focus on playing consistently and making smart decisions throughout the game. When you're starting out, don't worry about trying to make a massive play on every position. If you're controlling the quarterback, look for simple completions, make the safe read and keep the offense moving. And if you can tell a pass isn't there, just throw it away or move on to the next play. Instead of forcing the ball into coverage, bad decisions can lower your performance and those mistakes can cost you points. The same idea applies to running the ball. You don't need to get a huge gain every time. As long as you are making positive plays, following your objectives and avoiding unnecessary mistakes, as your performance improves, you'll have more opportunities to earn bonus points from bigger plays. Touchdowns are especially valuable, with rushing touchdowns giving you roughly 100 performance points, while passing touchdowns can reward you with even more. Basically, the more performance points you build up during a game, the more skill points you'll have available once the game is finished. After the game, open the skill section in the top right corner, and this is where you can use those skill points to improve your superstar. There are several upgrade categories to choose from, including core, physical, mental, specialist, and X Factor. Core and physical upgrades are mainly focused on improving your player's attributes, while mental abilities can give you helpful bonuses in specific situations such as important third and fourth downs. As you continue progressing, you'll unlock more specialist and X Factor abilities, and you can also put points toward important attributes like speed, acceleration, and stamina. So instead of chasing a highlight play on every position, focus on playing effectively, completing your objectives, and limiting mistakes. When a big opportunity comes up, take advantage of it and keep building your performance throughout the game. The better you play from start to finish, the more skill points you earn after each game, and the faster you will be able to improve your superstar. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.